Hi, I'm Thomas from the Customer Education team here at Workpath. At Workpath, we help companies and organizations define and achieve their most important goals. Over the past decade, I have worked with all types of organizations and all kinds of different roles within these organizations, trying to understand the challenges that they are facing and really helping them find solutions that work for them. In our OKR Masterclass, we really dive deep into the intermediate and advanced concepts of goal setting. And we do so as a whole group. So we bring different practitioners, experienced goal setters together in one place, and we look at the concepts of outputs and outcomes. How can you actually think about good outcomes and how can you apply these concepts to your goal setting? We talk about all of the phases of the cycle. We go not only into the drafting aspect, but into alignment. We talk about good check-ins, reviews, and retrospective. And we do all of that in really hands-on and practical exercises where we also coach you with our expertise and provide you with a lot of guiding questions that you can already take, bring them to your companies, and apply what you have learned exactly the next day. So if you are curious on how you can improve your goal setting approach, book our masterclass today, either through the website or reach out to one of our experts and schedule a call. Looking forward to seeing you in one of our next OKR masterclasses.